How to create Foxit PDF editor account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create Foxit PDF editor account. Foxit is a leading global provider of innovative PDF and e-signature solutions designed to enhance productivity and streamline the document workflows. Here's how you can create an account on Foxit PDF editor. First of all, ensure that you have already downloaded the Foxit PDF Editor application on your mobile device. Now, once you have done that, open the application on your device, and soon after opening the application, you will land on this home page. Here at the bottom, you will need to tap on this Agree and Continue button below. Simply tap on it, and then you will need to allow the notifications for this application. Simply tap on Allow Notification and then tap on this Allow option. Now you will be taken to this page. Here in this pop-up, you will be able to see the prompt to allow access to device storage. You may also tap on this Not Now in order to skip this for now. And if you want to enable the permissions, you will need to tap on this Go to Settings option. Simply tap on this option, and then in this page, tap on the toggle button at the right side in order to allow the permission. Now you can return back to the previous page. After that, you'll be able to see this login interface. Here now, since we are going to create an account, simply tap on this Create One link at the very bottom. Simply tap on the Create One link at the very bottom. Once you locate it, simply tap on it. Now you will need to fill out the required details. Tap on the first box and there enter your email address. Once after entering the email address, now in the second field at the right side, you'll be able to see the Send option. Simply tap on it, and now a verification code will be sent to your email address. You will need to wait for the code, and once you receive it, enter it in this field. Once you enter the code, now you will need to create a strong password for your account. Simply tap on the password field and there type in your password. Make sure your password meets all the criteria presented below. Once after entering the password, you may also tap on the I button at the right side in order to reveal and check. Now, simply tap on the checkbox that says I have read and agreed the privacy policy and terms of service. Once after doing that, now you can simply tap on this Continue button. Wait for a few seconds and then you will be taken to this page. Now here, you will need to fill in some extra details and your personal information. Enter your first and last name in these fields, and then enter the company name in the second field. Now select your country. Tap on the selected country and here find your country. After that, enter the phone number in this field. This one is optional. Now after entering the phone number and all the details, tap on this Create Account button and then wait for a few seconds. After that, you will see the registration has been succeed. Now you will be redirected to your Foxit account page. So this is how you can create an account on Foxit PDF Editor. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.